Please put the request. You put the request over AnyDesk.
Yeah, 45 seconds. No,
Okay.
that you have to wait period is there.
Okay. Getting my screen.
Yes, I got your screen.
So please.
Okay, right. So entry team is there. Ankit is there.
Yes, he is coming. He is coming in a while. So we can start.
We can start. Okay. Okay. We took the case of order number D, hoodie tracksuit. I think
That is D4. Yes.
D4. Okay. So D4 is this one.
Hmm.
So for this D4, we define the process routing as purchase, material purchase, which is purchase of yarn, purchase of trims.
Hmm.
After yarn purchase, it is going to knitting.
Hmm.
Then it goes to stentering. Knitted
Hmm.
fabric goes to stentering. Then it goes to decatizing.
Hmm.
After decatizing, it goes to fabric dyeing.
Hmm.
Afterwards, it is going to production.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, this is what we have seen the other day. Other day, I think we made a knitting PO. Then we made a stentering PO. We didn't make a decatizing PO. So we need to make decatizing PO, fabric dyeing POs, and then issue the material. Against the PO only, we can issue the material. Any material issue, we should have a fabric reference, sorry, PO reference. So any
Okay.
issue of material, we should have a PO reference.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'll just minimize the screen. Let me show, I think the other day we saw this report, inventory
Hmm.
reports. For the stores person, this is the most important report. When they are all transactions done, it is called the order wise stock flow.
Okay.
So in that, I'm taking this particular D4 2D tracksuit. I'm retrieving this report.
Hmm.
Okay, I will take all retrieve. Or maybe fabric alone. No, not fabric. We need yarn also. So retrieve. F6 fabric. So this is the process that the yarn undergoes. Yarn is purchased, yarn is knitted, knitted yarn is going to stentering, stentered yarn is going to decatizing, decatized yarn is going to fabric dyeing. So we are filtering this process. So you can see yarn 1, 2, 3, 4 lines yarn. For this yarn, purchase order is made YP1, 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 and one yarn is associated from the stock. After that, we do the yarn knitting. PP3 is yarn knitting. After yarn knitting, we are doing stentering. For stentering, we made a combined PO, PP4.
Hmm.
Okay. For decatizing, there is no plan. So decatizing no plan, which means there is no PO made for this order requirement. So we have to make a PO for decatizing. And after decatizing, we have the fabric dyeing. So for fabric dyeing also there is no plan. We have to make a fabric dyeing PO. Okay, and one more thing is, so yarn, you can see against YP1 made to Trimurti Hosiery mill, received was 34 to 31, 45 kgs. Okay, so yarn was received and it is issued also. 33 to 30 has been issued. First three yarns have been issued also. To whom it was issued? Double click, it will open another screen. It will show received from Trimurti and issued to S Biotex Knitting. Similarly, for fabric knitting also, for some yarns you have received, you see for example, 30 you have received here and you have issued 20. So after knitting, 30 was issued. From knitting, 20 was issued out to decatizing. Oh, sorry, yeah, double click. Yeah, goods received, yes, Biotex Knitting. Okay, and this is issued out to Swami Textiles Private Limited. It has been issued out for the next process. Right. So can we see this procedure again, or I mean, shall we do the decatizing PO, dyeing PO, and do the issue receipt, or
Just
shall we?
just make a quick reference now, so that we can continue with the other.
Yeah, that means we can make a decatizing PO.
Hmm.
So you please take control. I will guide you. You can do the decatizing PO.
Sure.
Go to purchase.
Sorry.
Go to purchase module.
Okay.
Domestic. So we are going to do service PO, which is process order. Okay. Select. We'll do the regular process order. You already know what is combined. So we'll do a regular process order. Select hoodie tracksuit order D4.
Okay.
Yeah. Add F8. F8. Type D4 in the order reference number. D4. That is the order number. Or you can filter. Other ways of filtering is using the style number. So you want to do the decatizing tab. Unit, select unit. I think vendor you have not specified which vendor is going to do decatizing. Select unit. I think right side. So Swami Textiles unit is going to do decatizing also. Tab. Yeah, you can put a delivery date if you want. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. Press F4 in the comments column. Just say yes. Now this is the decatized fabric, which is listing here. You can give the set button at the bottom, or you can select the fabrics one by one. So when you click the set button, all the fabrics which are received
Listed
after
over there
this,
automatically comes for a process.
it will come automatically. It will come as per the quantity you have given.
Okay.
Press the last fabric also. What happened? The last fabric hasn't come.
It automatically comes.
What happened? Oh, it has come. No? Oh, 3 fabrics only. I thought 4 fabrics. Okay, fine. Only 3 fabrics. Okay, now press F4 again. So it will come back to the main screen. Now for this decatized fabric, what is the raw material? You have to click the raw material button.
Okay.
So automatically from the BOM, it will take out whatever raw material that is calculated for decatizing, that will get included. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
at the bottom, you have the finish goods button. Please click on it. Okay. We have to give the price for the decatizing process. So what is the price for decatizing? We'll have to put, let us say it is 15 rupees per kg or 20 rupees per kg. You can put that price there.
Now
So if you have any taxes, you can go to other delivery info. But this is uh,
in-house unit.
in-house. So there is no tax. You can leave it out. But of course, we did not create the tax master for service POs. That we have to create later on. We will do that.
Okay.
Click OK to save. Save this job order. Yes. So this is the, I think, PP5 or PP6. I don't know. So this is the PO for the service of decatizing.
Okay.
Let's wait.
First of all, we have to select the order, this order number. Then its processes automatically. Its process comes down for the finishing.
Correct.
Is it na? Then
Correct.
select the raw material. Then select the finished goods, and
Yes. Price we have to
automatically,
give.
yes, yeah, we have to put the price for that
Price. Correct.
process.
Correct. And one more thing you can see, there is one a material from which process that material is coming, the raw material. This material is coming from stentering. So that is why
Okay.
it shows ST. Okay, do you want to send this transaction? Click no. You want to print, you can print, yes, you will get a preview and then you can print it. You want to print it?
Yeah, I just want to check that how it comes.
Okay. Same way like stentering, it will appear. You have the logo with you?
Yes, yes. At this moment, I don't have, but yes, I have. I have in my email over there.
Okay. So,
What
okay.
should be the size for that logo?
A logo, try to have it within 150 KB, no?
Okay,
Smaller
150
size.
KB.
150 to 200 KB is okay.
Okay.
Not very big.
Maybe I think I have that one
Hmm.
for SBIDEX.
Yeah. Because it's going to be like a very small, like a thumbnail, it is going to appear. So
Yes,
a
yes.
big, if you have a very big size, then it will shrink. There will be distortions.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is the
It's a
decal.
two capital letter, S and B.
Where?
Logo is a two capital letter, S and
Uh-huh.
B.
Oh, okay, okay.
It will comes good over there
Oh,
if size is increases.
okay, okay, fine. So this is the PO.
Yes.
Okay, same like if you want to hide the raw materials, you can hide the raw material. Uh, in some cases, there will be wet process like fabric washing, fabric, I don't know, for dyeing. For the wet process, payment will be made on the raw material weight,
Hmm.
not on the finished goods weight.
Hmm. Actually, I don't know that how it makes what the payment.
Okay,
Is it raw material or is it finished goods?
okay. See, this is stentering.
Okay.
This is raw material for decatizing.
Hmm.
Okay, so here it says 4 kg, 51 kg, 56 kg.
Yes.
Okay, you are giving 4 kg, you are taking back 4 kg.
Yes.
Suppose if it is washing or dyeing, then if you give 4 kg, you may not get 4 kg, you may get something less. Say you
Yes.
will get 3.8 kg or 3.5 kg
Hmm.
because there will be some process loss, there will be
Hmm.
some drying and all that. So in that case, we will put the process loss in the bill of material. When we do the process allowance, we will say this is 5% loss, this is 4% loss. So accordingly, the weight will go down. Okay. Now,
Hmm.
the persons who are doing the decatizing or the washing, they will initially take this weight only, 4 kg, 51 kg. They will not consider the 3.5 kg or 50 kg like that. They
Okay.
will take the input weight, the raw
Okay.
material weight. So they will put the bill on the basis of the input weight only, not the output weight.
Okay.
So that is in that situation we'll have to give the price that is given will be based on the input weight. Right now it is taking on the FG weight.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one thing you can remember. I will show you where this definition is done.
Okay.
Yes, I mean, maybe because of Wi-Fi or I don't know why system is little slow here.
It's just maybe through Wi-Fi because it's running through Wi-Fi now.
Mhm.
Maybe that was the reason.
Yeah, our ERP is like the processing load is on both on the database side as well as on the front end.
Okay.
Some other ERPs like SAP, they will do everything on the server. Then the server has to be very very powerful.
Okay.
But ours is like it's distributed on both sides, client side and the server side.
Okay.
That means your client also should be like having good, I mean, basic configuration, good basic configuration, and the
Yes.
bandwidth also. Anyway, Wi-Fi is always like the bandwidth is less.
Yes. Yes. It is.
Okay, I'm going into MRP screen.
Sorry.
This one. 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Ankit.
I'm going into the process master.
Okay.
So here you can see fabric dyeing. Fabric dyeing is a wet process. So if it is a wet process, so here you can see RM rate for process order. We put a
Okay.
tick mark. So if it is a wet process, if the supplier is going to bill based on the input weight, then we have to put the tick mark here.
Okay.
So in that case, system will calculate the total PO value based on the input weight, not on the output weight.
Okay.
So this is the configuration for that. Just for your note, I'm just saying
Hmm.
this. Later on, when we go live, we'll have to remember this. On the main
Oh,
database also, I've set like this. We have to one more time for the masters, we can check with Mr. Ashish, show it to him, and also take confirmation from him.
sure.
Okay, that is one thing. Another thing I want to tell is later on when you are free, what you can do is in the address module, this address logo, you
Okay.
select yes biotex. What happened? So you can select S biotex, double click here.
Hmm.
It will ask for the document. Here you just click cancel. System will open the default editor.
Okay.
So here you can say, I mean, you can what you can do is you can just go to paste from and select the icon and put it here. Right now,
Okay.
just for demonstration purpose, I'm just putting it here. Like you said, yes, and B is it? Is it like
Yes.
this?
It is. There is no space and there is no end. It's directly SB.
SB is it? Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, file, update document, file, just set like this. You can later on you can replace it with the icon.
Sure.
So once we do that, in all our transaction documents, print, decatizing. So it will show the icon here.
Okay.
So that is where you have to, of course, we are in test DB. You can do it on the main DB. Of course, we haven't started the main DB yet. That also we'll have to consider.
Hmm.
Okay. So we made the decatizing PO. Can you do the dyeing PO also, fabric dyeing PO?
Okay, please. Now at this moment, Ankit is there, na. So
Hmm.
Ankit will perform the things. So
Yeah, yeah.
just guide him also so that he can do the things by him.
Okay, fine.
बोतल गिलास इधर कर दीजिएगा अभी यहाँ पे. It's not responding.
What happened? Okay, we'll close. No, this PO, Ankit will not be making the PO, no? PO will be
No.
done by merchant?
Yes, it will be done by Bhamini.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay,
can I call
then,
her?
ye- okay, yes.
बोला ही जरा.
I think she already made the PO once. I think she made the other POs.
Yes, yes, she made it. She
Mm.
already made maybe one or two POs
No,
over
not
there.
the POs. Yeah. So you can call her or we can do it, no problem, whichever.
Okay, let just wait if she comes, so it will okay. Otherwise, we will do.
Okay, okay. Dyeing will be done by Swami Textiles or where?
Sorry,
No, fabric dyeing will be done in which unit?
it's our unit, Swami Textile Unit 2.
Unit 2, no? Okay. I'll
Yes.
just check whether we have defined fabric dyeing for Swami Textiles. Vendor, Swami.
So
Okay, it is a unit, it is not a vendor.
yes.
Process list. So Swami Textile will do fabric dyeing, decatizing, stentering, washing and stentering. So it is done. It is already defined.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So then we can do a fabric dyeing PO to Swami Textiles.
How's the weather over there? At your place?
It has improved. Last weekend we were having severe rains.
Okay.
It has subsided, but Chennai thankfully did not have very severe rains. Only mild rains we had. But
Okay.
50 kilometers, 100 kilometers from Chennai, there was heavy rains, both sides. Center,
Okay.
I mean, the center part, we we were lucky.
Okay.
You know the Balaji temple in Tirupati?
Hmm.
That got very, very heavy rains.
Okay.
Very heavy rains.
Okay. Now she comes.
Ah, yeah,
So.
please start.
Hi,
Hello, madam. Good morning.
good morning.
So, madam, for the hoodie tracksuit order that we did, we were
Hmm.
doing the knitting PO and then we also did the other POs like stentering PO and
Hmm.
decatizing PO. There is one
Hmm.
more PO, fabric dyeing PO we have to make.
Okay.
Um, I'll just help you recall. We can do the PO either through regular process order or combined process order. Let us do the fabric dyeing PO through the regular process order.
Okay.
Please click on regular. Under process order, that is regular. You are seeing the screens?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
चल रही है
It's very late. Its response is very late. Shall we close and reopen it again?
No, is it? Uh-huh. One moment. Can I just have a look?
Sure.
Your CPU is 99%. Which is taking more? Screen recorder, WSAPA. Sorry, stage is not showing here. Yeah, stage is okay, somewhere below. So the maximum is okay because of screen recorder. It is occupying more spaces. Screen recorder. Okay, that's okay. Memory also, like screen recorder, Skype is taking more memory. Okay. Okay, fine. I don't think stage is the reason, but if it is the reason, then you can re-log in and check. You can just exit, re-log in and check. When green tea bag. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can click on regular,
Yes.
add, use F8 for filter. F8, press
F8.
function F8. Then
D4.
you can type the order number D4, or you can go by style number and filter. So under D4, we are going to make the fabric dyeing PO. Please select the fourth row. Fourth row.
Double click.
Yeah, tab. Select on the right side. You select instead of vendor, you please select unit. Now you can drop down tab. Swami Textiles Private Limited. Yeah, tab.
Delivery date change कर लो. Delivery date. Click करो तो.
What happened?
Why this error come?
Just click OK. Let me check. 1 minute. Can you right click there? Okay. Okay. When you right click there, this screen will come. You can say how many days from today it has to be delivered, like 7 days or 8 days, like that. You can enter this, or you can just click on this button and then select directly. So it will be delivered. I don't know under what reason that error came. I just give a tab. Okay. You select 27. Yeah. Yeah. Please proceed. So you can click on the comments and press F4. So these are the dyed fabric, finished materials. So you can see navy single jersey, light gray cotton fleece, like that. You can select it one by one, or you can use the set button at the bottom.
सबको ही करना है सेट करो. भर के लाना है.
गुड मॉर्निंग. हाँ जी, घर के रख देते हैं.
गरम भी ना, मैं आप ही ले लूँगा.
तो गिलास तुम रख दो, तो धोखे में रख दो उधर. एक गिलास.
Okay.
Now raw material. Raw material.
Okay. Now we can press F4.
क्या दिया?
Credit cards. I put the price.
Go to the price and enter the price.
Process price.
Fabric dyeing price like navy color,
कितना price लगेगा?
dyeing charges. You can right click and give same price for all the fabrics. That is all. Please click OK and save this fabric dyeing PO purchase order.
The process is running behind.
Yes, you can. Yeah, click no. You can. The hourglass should appear or the circle should appear. Okay.
Yes. Check करो अभी इसमें क्या क्या कैसे आएगा वो देखो.
Still running. Can you scroll down? Yeah. So yes, by your text to Swami textile. Finished goods is colored fabric. Raw materials is colorless fabric.
Now.
Okay. So we have made the POs for decatizing and fabric dyeing. Okay. Now you can issue material. We already issued and received material for stentering. Okay. Now you can send the stentering materials to stentered materials to decatizing. Then you can